question number 13 says, the function f is continuous on the closed interval from 2 to 8 and has values that are given in the table above. Using the subintervals from 2 to 5, 5 to 7, and 7 to 8, what is the trapezoidal approximation of the area under the curve, or the integral, in other words, from 2 to 8 of f of x dx? Alright, we've done this problem many and many a time, so hopefully it's not too new to you. So the first trapezoid, remember, by the way, that we can only use our big long summation formula if all of these are equal subintervals. So let's see if they are. From 2 to 5, that's a length of 3. From 3 to 7, that's a length of 2. I'm sorry, from 5 to 7, that's a length of 2. And from 7 to 8, that's a length of 1. So unfortunately, we cannot use the big long summation. We actually have to do this individually to make sure that we can add all these together. So for the first trapezoid, the area of a trapezoid is 1/2 times base 1 plus base 2, or height 1 plus height 2, so that's 10 plus 30. And again, let me show you where I'm getting these numbers from. 10 and 30 come from right here. The height, or the base, I should say, comes from right there, so that orange one, kind of hard to see on the orange, but orange one here matches with this orange one here. So this is 1/2 times the height times base 1 plus base 2. If you don't believe me, plot these points. Plot 2, 10, 5, 30, 7, 40, 8, 20, and then draw the trapezoids that connect each one to each other. And you'll notice that it has a base of 2 on the number line from 2 to 5. That's a base of 3 from 2 to 5. And then both of the heights of each of the legs there would be 10 and 30. So I'm just going to do that with each of these three subintervals. The next one would be 1/2 times 2 times 30 plus 40. And the last one would be 1/2 times 1 times 40 plus 20. And again, do not use a calculator with these. You were not allowed to use a calculator on the test. So half of 3 times 10 plus 30. So 10 plus 30 is 40. Half of 40 is 20. And 20 times 3 is 60. For here, half of 2 is 1. And then 1 times 30 plus 40. 30 plus 40 is 70. And then half of 1 times 40 plus 20, that would be half of 60. So that's 30. And if I add all these together, I get 160. So that's answer choice C.